In this video, you are going to see how to lock a tab or sheet in Google Sheets. Here you will see I have multiple tabs. I want to lock this sheet. Let us click on right button and here you will see an option protect sheet. Then go to this option sheet and click on set permission. And if you restrict it for you, select this option restrict who can edit this range, only you, and click on done. Then the sheet will be protected. If you share this file with anyone, they can't edit this sheet. If you want to remove it, click on over here, click on right button, go to protect sheet, click on this option set permission, click on OK. Now click on this option and here you will find the delete option. Click on delete and click on remove. Then the protection will be removed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.